Hi guys, we're excited to bring 5 Vogel Street in Richmond onto the market. My name is Clarence Monsanto.
And I'm Riley Malzard from Ray White Bishopdale and would love to show you around. Let's go take a look. What's great about this property is that it's a simple home with great bones. This 1910s property carries lots of character with it and consists of 3 bedrooms, a separate lounge and a separate kitchen. Sitting on 289 square metres of RMD land, 5 Vogel Street is walking distance to the nearby supermarket as well as Avebury Park. The Palms Mall and City Centre is also within easy reach. And what's more, this property is in zone for some good schools, including Marion College.
And I hope you guys enjoy that. My name is Clarence Monsanto.
And I'm Riley Malzard from Ray White. We look forward to seeing you this weekend at the Open Homes.